What's the meaning of air pistol? Air pistol. Air pistol. Air pistol. Air pistol. Air pistol.
An air pistol is a type of firearm that uses compressed air or gas to propel a projectile. It is typically used for target shooting and is popular among gun enthusiasts. Air pistols come in a range of styles and designs, from simple pellet guns to complex CO2-powered handguns. They are often used for training and practice, as they provide a safe and affordable alternative to traditional firearms. Some air pistols are also used for pest control and small game hunting. Overall, air pistols are a versatile and enjoyable tool for both beginners and experienced shooters.